you don't like me. You wanna fight me. Always on my page, never double tap like me. Baddies to my left and my right.
Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so you will never miss a single video. I'm reviewing two wigs from Zury Crimp 16 in the color 1B, and one is burgundy. This video is not sponsored. The price for the 1B is $29.94. The burgundy, you will be paying $31.94. The total is $66.87. Here's what the card looks like. It's HD lace, transparent, 5-part lace front. Heat up to 400 degrees. On the back, it tells you how to take care of the hair. You do get 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. Here's what the parting looks like. I'm going to put it on and show y'all how it looks, because I heard this is not transparent lace and it looks like white. Here's how it looks. This is what the lace looks like. It is ear to ear. It is big head friendly. I do have some tint spray. This wig looks bomb on me. But I'm gonna cut the lace off on camera for y'all with this razor. And then I'm gonna spray this onto the lace so it can look natural. To cut the lace off with this razor. Lace tint I'm using is medium brown. I'm going to put some concealer into the part. Here's what the lace looks like after I put lace tint on it.